He's threatening to kill himself. I said, if you're going to kill yourself, I'm going to call 911 and have you Baker acted because, you know, we have 4 children. So he said if I call 911 that he's going to have a shootout with the cops. So I've been hesitant to call because I don't want anybody getting hurt. But he is in the house emptying out his safe, getting all his guns to bring them into. We have a large shed in the back of the house that we house a boat in. And he has multiple guns, shotguns, AR-15s, handguns, Glocks. He must have at least 15 guns.
Thomas, it's the sheriff's office. Put that rifle down now. It's the sheriff's office. Put that... Put the rifle down! Put your hands up! He just ran back into the shed. Central, shots fired. He dropped the rifle that he pointed at me and ran back into the shed. I don't know what he's doing now. I lost visual. Thomas, come towards us. He's in the shed. Who do we have on that side? Whoever's on the south side needs to go onto the property to the house, because I've got visual on the shed. He's in the shed. Okay. We need to start moving up and get a better position on that shed. Okay. Go, get in the house, clear the house. Cletus, go in the house. Clear the house. The 3 of you, clear the house. There is a dog in there. I'm going to start talking to him. Thomas! Put both your hands up in the air, Thomas! Wave your hands, Thomas! Wave your right hand, Thomas! Wave your right hand, Thomas! Your right hand, not your feet, your right hand. I see his hand, it's laying to the side. You see it?
I want an egg. Let's make him come out to us, though. Okay? We're going to do everything we can to get him out to us.
Thomas, I need you to lift up your right hand so I can see it. Your hand.
Rub your hands again.
Yep, let's do it.
Stand by. Both teams ready. Nice and slow, guys. No rush. Let's move.
Use that truck as cover.
Step down. Come up. Come up. Got it.
Light him up, Steve. Light him up. All right,
hands
go.
are clear.
All right, move up on him.
Hands are clear.
Move up him.
Move to the left. Go to the left. Go to the left. Go to the left. Hands on, rolling over. Thomas, roll over on your stomach. All right, be easy. Roll over on your stomach. Do it now.
Does he have a gun anywhere? Light around him. I want to make sure he doesn't.
I ain't got nothing. Roll over on your stomach. I got a mag.
Oh, God damn it. Can I roll this way?
Just stay right the way you are. Hey, stay where you are. Put your arm on your belly.
I think you shot me here.
Yeah, put your arm on your belly. Stay right there.
Please.
I can't see anything underneath of him.
I ain't got nothing.
I see one behind you. That's all.
I threw all my clothes and the weapons are all over there. I'm sorry if I shot at y'all. I hope no one got hit.
Let them know we got them, and we're going to secure them, and medical needs to come up.
Can you please? I know I'm a dickhead and I don't deserve it.
Don't worry about it, man. We're going to take care of you. You got shot in the arm?
I can't move it.
All right, just stay right there. All right, stay right there.
I'm sorry, motherfucker.
You're fine.
Clear the left side of the shed. Clear the left side of the shed, please.
What? Left side?
No, not you. You just lay there with your hand above your head.
Oh.
Keep your hand there.
Thank you.
It's going to hurt like hell.
The bone. Shed's clear.
Somebody,
I got weapons over there.
Somebody tell Central the tourniquet's been applied to the right arm.
I didn't shoot until y'all put a laser on me. So, I'm sorry. I hope I didn't hit nobody.
You didn't. You're fine.
So somebody put a laser on me.
Does anybody have...
I can't move
Hey,
the arm.
stay there. Stop moving.
Dude, look. I ain't got nothing here. I can't move. I think
it's not for that. It's because he's trying to put a tourniquet on your arm.
I understand, sir.
Keep a good eye on him.
I understand. I'm fucking hurting. I know as a dickhead and I deserve this, but goddamn.
This is going to hurt like hell, but it's going to stop you from...
Ow!
That's how it goes. It's supposed to hurt. That makes sure you don't bleed out. All right, does anybody else have a flashlight? Let me see any other wounds. Does anybody have anything?
I got one in the abdomen right there.
All right.
Stop moving around, you hear me?
You can turn me over if you want.
No, I don't want to turn you over right now.
Look, I ain't got nothing
Yep,
under
yep,
me.
in and out. All right. All right, you're good there.
Under me.
All right.
Yes, we told Todd, do you just see one or two?
Yeah, you've got an in and out on the left, and we did a tourniquet to the right arm.
My arm is killing me. Okay. I know I deserve to.
Steve, don't leave him alone.
What?
Don't leave him alone.
Medina?
We got it.
Medina. Okay, I'm going.
We got it. Stay with him.
Oh.
What's up, puppy?
She's a good girl, don't please.
No, we're not going to shoot your dog. Don't worry.
She's a good girl.
It's all right, puppy. You're good. You're a good doggy.
Shoot me again.
Alright, just one injury or no?
Don't hurt my dog.
Yeah, he's got through and through on the left, and we've applied a tourniquet to the right arm. He's got an injury to the right arm. Medical's good to come up. We've cleared the scene.
Perfect.
Here. I'm sorry.
You good?
I'm so sorry, dude.
Sorry, hey, what you need to do now is just, hey, save your energy.
Sorry.
Hey, what you need to do now is save your energy.
I'm sorry, man.
It's all right. It's okay. Hey, listen, we all make mistakes. Nobody got hurt. You're doing all right. We're going to get you medical aid.
I think I only got one shot off.
Okay, it's all right.
Y'all are a good fucking shot.
Well, we don't want to be when we do that, but listen.
You're good. Oh, my God.
We don't know, hey, we don't know what's going on up here, so stop squirming around if you can. You're just trying to release that energy?
Yes.
All right, man, I got you.
Turn me over.
No, we're not going to turn you over. You're in the right spot right now. Huh. He wasn't effing around, was he?
Not with that. He could have kept us busy for a while, son.